Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2003 PT Cruiser. We're going to be replacing the cam position sensor. It's a pretty easy sensor, not much to it. Let me point it out to you real quick. Right on top of the engine next to the air box, right there is the sensor. So all we need to do to replace it is move this hose next to the air box. Should just wiggle off. There we go. I'm going to remove the air box. A couple of clips on the sides. Just a little clamp here, using a flathead screwdriver. This little red tab gets pushed up, and then we pinch, pull this off, and then our box can come out. There we go. The two bolts holding it in are an 8mm. We're going to use just a ratcheting wrench for ease. Now the sensor should wiggle right out. Now this red tab on the connector, we'll want to push it out. Sometimes they like to stick a little. There we go, just like that. Then we can push down on the tab in the back, pull the sensor out. We want to clean off the face where the sensor was. Be careful not to get anything magnetized next to this tone wheel back here. All right, we got the new one from the parts store. Make sure it has the rubber O-ring attached to it before installation. We'll plug it in first because it's easier to do that first. And then we'll make sure that this red tab is pushed back in to lock it. Let's put this down like that and put our bolts in. And these are torqued to snug. There we go, it's as easy as that. Now we'll put our air box back on. I took the filter out, you don't have to. Put our hose back on. Clip. Clip. Plug this in. Red lock tab. We're finished. All right, there you go. That's how you can place a cam position sensor on these PT Cruisers. Not a whole lot to it. Now, if you do have an engine code for a cam position sensor, go ahead and clear it. If you don't have the ability to clear it, a few drive cycles, it'll clear itself. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one.